Breaking free. Conquering limiting beliefs on the path to wealth. This is your opportunity to conquer self-doubt, rewrite your financial story, and embrace a mindset of abundance. Number 1. Shift from scarcity to abundance. Understanding the shift from scarcity to abundance is a cornerstone of your journey towards conquering limiting beliefs and achieving financial success. It's about transforming your mindset from perceiving limited resources to embracing the wealth of opportunities that surround you. Instead of thinking that wealth is confined to a few, recognize that there's potential for growth and creation everywhere. The shift lies in realizing that the world is brimming with possibilities and untapped resources, waiting for you to harness. This mindset doesn't just benefit you financially, it transforms how you approach challenges and opportunities. Embracing abundance means seeing solutions where you once saw roadblocks, and understanding that your potential knows no bounds. 2. Focus on long-term vision. Instead of chasing instant gratification or short-lived gains, direct your energy towards constructing a foundation of enduring prosperity. This mindset instills the value of investing wisely, prioritizing saving and strategically crafting plans for the future. By adopting this approach, you're setting yourself up for financial stability that extends beyond quick fixes. Think of it as planting seeds today to reap a bountiful harvest tomorrow. Shifting focus to the long term enables you to weather the storms that may come your way, while still working towards the grander goal of wealth. It's akin to constructing a solid structure brick by brick rather than settling for flimsy solutions. 3. Think like an owner. Whether you're currently a business owner or not, adopting this mentality is about taking ownership of your financial journey. Imagine you're the CEO of your life, making strategic decisions, setting clear goals, and crafting plans for success. This shift in mindset compels you to step up and actively shape your financial destiny. Just as a business owner would analyze market trends and adjust strategies, you too can assess your financial landscape and make choices. By thinking like an owner, you're moving away from a passive approach to a proactive one, recognizing that you have the power to steer your financial ship towards the shores of success. This approach encourages you to break free from any limiting beliefs and embrace the role of a visionary, paving the way for a future where you're at the helm of your financial destiny. 4. Assess your current financial situation. Before you set your sights on lofty goals, it's essential to have a crystal clear understanding of where you stand financially. This involves carefully evaluating various aspects, including your income, monthly expenses, outstanding debts, and assets you possess. This detailed assessment functions as the solid groundwork upon which you'll build your financial goals. Evaluation reveals your starting point, helping you set goals that are realistic and attainable. Just as a map guides you to a destination, this assessment navigates you towards your financial aspirations. By shedding light on your financial landscape, you're setting yourself up for a journey that is well-informed and finely calibrated, ensuring that your path to wealth is built on a foundation of clarity and realistic targets. 5. Be quantifiable. Instead of having vague aspirations, it's crucial to define your goals with precision. Picture this. When you have a specific target in mind, you're crafting a clear roadmap for your financial future. Quantifiable goals provide you with a tangible objective to strive for. They give you direction, focus, and a measurable standard to track your progress. By adopting this approach, you're ensuring that efforts are aligned with a distinct goal, enabling you to track progress and stay motivated. The more specific and quantifiable your goals, the clearer your path becomes to conquer challenges, shatter barriers, and achieve your financial dreams. 6. Break down goals into steps. Alright, imagine you have a big financial goal in mind, like buying a home or saving for retirement. Now, instead of feeling overwhelmed, think about breaking that goal into smaller, bite-sized steps. This way, you won't get bogged down by the enormity of it all, and you'll have a clear path to follow. Each time you complete one of these steps, it's like reaching a milestone on your journey towards that ultimate financial goal. So whether it's setting up a budget, investing in stocks, or paying off debt, dividing your financial aspirations into manageable chunks is the smart way to conquer limiting beliefs and achieve wealth. 7. Consider your time frame. When it comes to financial goals, it's important to think about the time you need. Setting achievable timeframes is key. For example, if you're looking to tackle a big debt, trying to clear it in a matter of months might not be realistic. But spreading it over a couple of years could be more doable. Make sure your timeframe lines up with what you can realistically manage, given your money situation and other responsibilities you have. Remember, it's not just about setting any timeframe, it's about setting the right timeframe that fits with your financial capacity and the commitments you've got going on. This approach is all about breaking free from those limiting beliefs and taking steps on your path towards building wealth. 8. Identify the financial issue. Think of it as shining a light on the exact challenge you're facing. By identifying the issue, you're taking a huge step towards overcoming it. It's like solving a puzzle. You need to know what the pieces are before you can put them together. So whether it's understanding how to manage your debts or figuring out ways to bring in more money, getting to the core of the problem is an integral part of breaking free from those limiting beliefs and moving forward on your journey to financial success. Enter a world where dreams become reality. Our blog, BraylenAV.com, unlocks the secrets of success, luxury, and extraordinary living. Subscribe now. 9. Gather information. Once you've got a handle on what's tripping you up, it's time to get the lowdown. You're gonna want to grab all the info that's connected to the issue. We're talking the nitty-gritty details. Hit the books, surf the web, and chat up some folks who really know their stuff. Those brainy experts can give you some serious insights. Now don't forget to dive into your own financial digits. Look at the numbers, the trends. It's like figuring stuff out. With all this intel, you can start mulling over your options. You're in the driver's seat, and it's up to you to make some smart moves. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to whipping those limiting beliefs and marching forward on your path to stacking up the wealth. 10. Explore alternative strategies. Let's dive into the next step. Once you've got a good grip on what's causing those financial hiccups, it's time to brainstorm. Get those creative juices flowing and think up a bunch of different ways to tackle the issue. It's like thinking outside the box, but for your wallet. Short term, long term, we're talking both here. There's more than one road to financial freedom, and it's up to you to pick the path that suits you best. 11. Develop an action plan. Think of it like building a roadmap to success. You're gonna take those solutions and break them down into smaller steps. This is your action plan, a detailed guide that lays out exactly what needs to happen and when. Maybe you need to save a certain amount of money each month, or you've got calls to make, forms to fill, appointments to set. It's all in the plan. And hey, don't forget about your resources. That's like your toolkit for this project. It might be money, time, skills, or people who can help you out. Having this plan is like having a treasure map, showing you exactly where to go. So get ready to roll up your sleeves, because this plan will be your compass as you set out to conquer those limiting beliefs and make your way towards financial success. 12. Build emergency savings. Let's talk about a crucial move that's gonna give you serious peace of mind. We're talking emergency savings, the superhero cape for your finances. Life can throw curveballs, like surprise medical bills or a sudden job shakeup. That's where your emergency fund steps in. It's like your financial safety cushion. The goal here is to have around 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses stashed away. It's your rainy day fund, ready to shield you when the unexpected happens. Whether it's car troubles, health issues, or a temporary job hiccup, this fund is your financial superhero, helping you navigate tough times without losing your balance. 13. Diversify income streams. Imagine having a bunch of different streams flowing into your financial river. You've got your main gig, sure, but don't stop there. Think about launching a side business, doing freelancing, or even dipping your toes into investments. These additional streams can give you serious stability, like having extra cushions in your financial pillow fort. And when economic rough patches roll around, which they tend to do, having these backup streams can be a real lifesaver. It's like building a financial safety net. 14. Practice mindful spending. It's all about spending with intention. We're talking about sorting out what you truly need versus what's just a passing want. Think of your spending like a carefully tended garden. You want the essentials to bloom while trimming away the unnecessary. By focusing on the essentials and cutting back on the extras, you're not just piling up savings, you're also honing your financial resilience, like building your own financial fortress. And let's face it, life throws curveballs, so having this mindful spending habit is like having a trusty shield. As you're charting your course towards financial freedom, remember that mindful spending isn't just about cutting back. It's about directing your resources where they matter most, and that's a skill that'll serve you well on your path to a more solid financial future. 15. Recognize your money mindset. Understanding your money mindset is crucial as you embark on the journey of conquering limiting beliefs and achieving financial success. Start by recognizing the beliefs you have about money and success. These beliefs shape how you perceive financial opportunities and challenges. Reflect on your thoughts about money. Consider whether they empower or hold you back. Similarly, take a moment to contemplate your perceptions of success. Evaluate whether they encourage you to expand horizons or keep you confined to your comfort zone. By acknowledging these beliefs, you set the stage for transformation. It's like taking a magnifying glass to your thoughts and understanding how they've been influencing decisions. These beliefs might have developed over time based on experiences, upbringing, or societal influences. However, by recognizing them, you take control of your financial journey. Remember, awareness is the first step toward change. 16. Challenge negative financial thoughts. Whenever those doubts about your financial potential start creeping in, take a pause and ask yourself, are these thoughts actually true? Challenge them like you're in a debate. Are they based on real facts, or just old beliefs that might not hold up anymore? It's like shining a bright light on the shadows in your mind. Maybe you've been telling yourself that you can't earn more or that you're destined to struggle. But are those thoughts really serving you? By questioning their validity, you're basically reprogramming your financial brain. You're paving the way for new beliefs that align with your goals. So as you're journeying toward financial success, don't let those negative thoughts steer the ship. Challenge them, rewrite the script, and watch how your path to wealth becomes clearer and more empowering. 17. Embrace a wealth-building mindset. We're talking about transforming your mindset from scarcity to abundance. It's like flipping a switch in your brain. Those old beliefs that whisper you're stuck with limited resources, let's toss them out. Instead, welcome a new way of thinking, one that's all about building wealth. Rather than focusing on what you lack, start honing in on what you can create. This mindset shift is like a turbo boost for your financial journey. It means believing that opportunities are out there waiting for you, and with the right moves you can turn them into gold. It's time to take control of those thoughts and align them with your goals. As you're on the path to financial success, remember that changing your mindset is like upgrading software. It'll open up new doors, boost your confidence, and pave the way to building the wealth you deserve. 18. Visualize financial success. Let's dive into a strategy that's all about harnessing the power of your imagination. We're talking about creating a mental movie of your financial success. Think of it as a sneak peek into your awesome future. Close your eyes and see yourself hitting those goals you've set, whether it's paying off debts, buying that dream house, or jet-setting on a well-earned vacation. This mental practice is like training your brain for success. It's not just daydreaming, it's building confidence. When you see yourself achieving those financial milestones, you're telling your brain, hey, I can do this. Visualizing success isn't some magic trick. It's a tool that primes your mind for action, fuels motivation, and helps you stride confidently along the path to achieving your financial dreams. 19. Affirm your financial abilities. Basically, giving your mind a pep talk. Repeat empowering statements to yourself like, I have the skills to manage my money wisely, or I'm capable of growing my wealth. These affirmations aren't just words, they're like planting seeds of self-belief. When you remind yourself of your financial abilities, it's like gearing up for a challenge. These positive phrases aren't magical spells, but they do shape your mindset. They build a strong foundation of self-assurance, helping you conquer doubts and navigate the twists and turns on your path to achieving financial freedom. 20. Practice financial mindfulness. Pay attention to where your money is going, those daily coffee runs, subscription services, and impulse buys. When you practice financial mindfulness, It's like having a GPS for your goals. This technique isn't about restriction, it's about being conscious. Imagine it as making choices with your eyes wide open, rather than sleepwalking through your spending. As you walk toward financial freedom, remember that financial mindfulness isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit that strengthens over time. By being aware and intentional, you're taking the reins of your financial journey and setting yourself up for a smoother ride to achieve the wealth and security you're aiming for. 21. Nurture financial resilience. Think of it like preparing for a marathon. You're not just training for the smooth parts of the track, but also for those unexpected hills. When you nurture this resilience, it's like having a safety net beneath you. It's not about avoiding challenges. It's about facing them head-on, knowing you've got what it takes to recover. As you're forging the path to financial success, remember that financial resilience isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you develop. By embracing setbacks as learning opportunities and using them to fuel your determination, you're setting yourself up to handle whatever comes your way on the journey to achieving lasting financial security. 22. Set realistic financial goals. Instead of aiming for the stars right away, break down those big tasks into manageable steps. By setting realistic financial goals, you're building a staircase to get there. It's about taking those small, meaningful steps that add up to big results. As you journey toward financial greatness, keep in mind that setting these goals isn't just about writing them down, it's about crafting a roadmap for success. With clear, achievable milestones, you're giving yourself the directions to follow on your way to achieving the financial future you're aiming for. The pursuit of wealth is about realizing your inherent potential and rewriting your life's narrative. By breaking free from the chains of limiting beliefs, you've opened doors to uncharted territories of opportunity. Embrace setbacks as stepping stones, failures as lessons, and challenges as catalysts for growth. As you stand at this crossroads, armed with newfound knowledge and an unwavering resolve, envision the life of abundance you deserve. The path to wealth is not just a destination but a continuous odyssey of self-discovery and empowerment. So stride forward with audacity, keep the flames of determination burning bright, and let your success story illuminate the way for others. Your journey towards financial prosperity and personal fulfillment is an inspiration, a testament to the infinite power of conquering limiting beliefs and crafting your own destiny.